let's discover together how millions of bullets are produced. Thousands of bullets are produced every hour on automated assembly lines. These machines are marvels of engineering and work at incredible speed. Each of them is fully automatic and produces excellent results without the need for human intervention. In these factories, perfect pistols are produced, each of which is calculated inch by inch. Friends, everything you see in this video is possible with the combination of engineering, technology, and meticulous workmanship. Produced in America's best gun factories, these millions of pistols challenge the world with their safety and precision. We take you on an incredible journey into the ammunition production of AK-47, one of the most legendary weapons in the world. Are you ready? Our topic today: the production process of AK-47 ammunition. We will introduce you to one of America's best gun factories, which produces millions of bullets. Moreover, we will take a closer look at the production process of the AKM rifle, which everyone admires and is known worldwide. The rifles go through a final assembly and are boxed and ready for shipment. These rifles are sent to users all over the world. In this factory, everything is done with millimetric precision. When you step into the production process, you will be amazed by the magnitude of the machines and technologies you encounter. These machines shape shotgun barrels perfectly and ensure that each part is perfect. One of the most striking stages in the production process is hive construction. The hives, which are a combination of plastic and metal, are processed in special machines and take a perfect shape. The laser technology used at this stage can detect even millimetric errors. Each hive goes through strict inspection by the quality control team. Packaging phase of the bullets. The story of a bullet begins here. First of all, the quality of each bullet is checked. This stage is extremely important because each bullet must be perfect. Bullets that pass through the quality control phase are carefully packaged by special machines. These machines are capable of packing thousands of rounds per minute. Yes, you heard right. Thousands of bullets per minute. Binoculars are a must for snipers and hunters. So, how are these sensitive devices produced? The first step is to prepare the glass lenses. Optical glasses are specially manufactured to provide excellent clarity and durability. These glasses are cut and shaped with millimetric precision using state-of-the-art machines. Each lens is checked and polished many times to ensure there is not the slightest defect. The M1917 was one of the American military's most reliable weapons in World War I. The production of this legendary rifle is a very complex and meticulous process. The first step is to prepare the basic parts of the rifle. These parts are made from high-quality steel and are extremely durable. Steel sheets are cut and shaped by large pressing machines. .155mm artillery shells are made of high-strength steel. Steel plates are cut with large press machines and shaped into cylinders. This process creates the outer body of the bullet. After the assembly process is completed, performance tests of the bullets begin. This unmanned aerial vehicle is an engineering marvel that is revolutionizing the battlefield. The body and wings of the vehicle are made of composite materials. Bayraktar TB2 contains highly advanced sensors, cameras, and communication systems. These systems are integrated into the body of the vehicle, and each component is placed with millimeter precision. Installation of electronic systems is a process that requires extreme care and expertise. High-carbon steel is generally used in the production of knives. This steel ensures the sharpness and durability of the blade. Steel sheets are cut by large pressing machines, and the basic shape of the blade is created. In this stage, the blades are heated again and then cooled rapidly. This process increases the hardness and durability of the blade. After the hardening process, the blades are carefully checked for any defects.